cooking on gas. Bob, hold this tablet in my right hand, filming myself, try to cook with just the left hand. And half a kilo of macaroni pasta. In it goes the full amount. You can put in the water straight away cold. Have a little bit of olive oil at the bottom there. It won't stick. Always get brown pasta and some more nutrients. This is 400 millimeters. Can't take that milk away from us, meat eaters. Coconut milk. Garbanzos beans, half a kilo, also known as chickpeas. It goes. Perfect. A pasta soup at the moment, but it will thicken up. 92% tomato puree. In it all goes. Juice the tomato juice. Stirred, not shaken. Your vegetable of choice, arrabbiata style. Some jalapeños, in they go. Now you can stop there and that will thicken, or you can add spices. Any curry, like Ras Hanout, pepper. Plenty. A little bit of spirulina, a strong seaweed taste. Sprinkle some thyme. Oregano, best crushed in the palm. Oh, I've missed a jalapeno. Nothing spared. Stir in 10 minutes. Garnish with pine nuts. Simmered down to a creamy sauce. Brush your can to the recycling centre. So thanks for watching and bon appetit.